2010 Dodge Challenger SRT8, 6.1 liter Hemi, 25,000 miles. Hi everyone, Carter Heiser, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Let me walk you around this beautiful car. I bought this car from an estate. They were the second owner, clear Carfax, fully inspected, comes with a 12-month, 12,000 mile powertrain warranty. That's good nationwide. We buy that for you. We put brand new tires on it. It has the Brembo upgrade. It has the carbon fiber stripe. We have the two-tone, the suede and the leather interior with the yellow stripe. 6-speed tarmac, manual transmission, stock. Car is beautiful. Again, warranted, inspected, new tires, ready to go, fly in, drive it home with confidence. If I was a car collector, not a car keeper, or dealer I should say, I would keep this car. It's a car 10, 15 years from now I'm going to say, man, I wish I would have kept that car when I see him rolling across the block at Barrett Jackson. It's just super clean. It's stock. Again, I bought it from an estate, so you know what kind of owner that was. It's an older person who had it. So Autorama Auto Sales, Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. We're the place without the outrageous hidden fees, you know, with no surprises. So Autorama Auto Sales, Dickinson, North Dakota.